The International Expert Conference dedicated to the safeguarding of the sacred city of Anuradhapura, a World Heritage Site in Sri Lanka, is co-organized by UNESCO and the Government of Sri Lanka. The UNESCO conference focuses on the sustainable safeguarding of Anuradhapura through the lens of the Integrated Heritage Management Program for the ancient city of Anuradhapura.
Today, Anuradhapura has grown beyond recognition. In the classical sociological sense, Anuradhapura is a unique mix of the sacred, activities belonging to the spiritual realm, and the profane, relating to the everyday and material realm. Its conservation is complex, yet essential. Anuradhapura's heritage is worth preserving not just for Sri Lanka, but for its universal value, as has been acknowledged by UNESCO. Current excavations suggest that Anuradhapura's earlier settlements date back as early as 900 BCE. We firmly believe that history and archaeology can play a significant role in educating people about our common heritage and also how different traditions and histories have enriched each other. But all of this means managing different and perhaps even competing or conflicting interests. The lives of the present inhabitants of the city, its heritage and archaeological value, the needs of local and international tourists may not always be aligned. This is the challenge before us. Balancing the needs of Anuradhapura's inhabitants, heritage, and tourism is a challenge, but its importance is undeniable. Our proposal goes beyond Sri Lanka. It is about preserving global heritage. This requires sustained expertise, resources, and collaboration, making this conference crucial in uniting key contributors. Our government plans to develop 3 cities as heritage cities in Sri Lanka: Anuradhapura, Jaffna, and Kandy. We selected these cities for the moment because each of these cities represents what we think is a unique characteristic spirit that represents some aspect of the Sri Lankan identity. Whether it is the resilience of Jaffna, the multiculturalism of Trincomalee, or the spirituality of Anuradhapura, multiculturalism of Kandy, I beg your pardon. These cities encapsulate some of the best of Sri Lanka that we want to protect and share with the rest of the world.
The conference brought together global heritage experts, national authorities, community leaders, and international development agencies such as the World Bank, the Japan International Cooperation Agency or JICA, the Korea International Cooperation Agency, and the French Development Agency to explore integrated approaches to heritage management.